Hey everyone, today we are going to unbox this personal cell spot. This is the T-Mobile cell spot. You can request this through customer service. You are unable to request in store, such as what I experienced personally. So we are going to quickly unbox this video, and as you can tell, it's still sealed. And I hate to cut this, but I suppose how I'm gonna get out is that's what we had to do. That's all we gotta do to cut it. And I just ruined the box. Terrible. Ooh. Oh. Alright, so this is the T-Mobile personal cell spot, right? And so also it's called booster. So in this case, you got an instruction. Important. And the instruction. All of that is to set it aside. Let's talk about this. This is what we're here for. This unbox video, T-Mobile cell spot. Okay. So you have over here your start here. Do this next. Okay. So let's say start here. So this is your let's see what this is. So this is the window unit. So as you can see, as soon as I can focus, 4G LTE signal booster, the window unit. Okay, I kind of like it when they have all of this dot thing. Okay, all this has is the power cord, and that's it. This thing is very easy to set up. So this stay on your window. This is the power cord. And over here is your screw and your bracket. So if you mount this on the drywall, you can use that. Over here is your power plug. Those two are the same, so it doesn't really matter if you got mixed up, but we're gonna keep it separate. Okay. This is your indoor one called coverage unit. So we're gonna carefully and open this. The only way to request this thing is due to customer service. You're unable to do it online, which is understandable. You do need to have a like $25 deposit, which is, must, unless you have a way negotiate. But other than that, you will get another boxes in your house that's pretty much put all the part that you don't need inside the box. So when it's time to return it, if you no longer need it, you could just put it right back in the box. Or if you want to throw this box away, if you know you're gonna use this for as long as you can, just keep it. It's up to you guys. Okay, I'll put that out. So here's your coverage unit. This is the inside unit. This inside unit allows you to have a signal inside. So I'm gonna bring my phone up, and so inside unit and window unit. So T-Mobile currently has two models. One model is your model right here. This one is the booster. They also have called personal cell spot, so that connect through your internet. I actually tried both of it. I probably prefer this one better because I don't have to configuration all of that. As if you watch my last video, that's probably I prefer. And so this you can mount anywhere you want without any problem. So there you go. So that's basically a quick unboxing. Very simple, not much to it. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Have a good day.